Welcome back to the Automation Mentor, everyone. Look at this. This form has over 400 entries, but only 61 contacts actually made it into this account. That's more than 85% of potential leads gone. The form is live, the traffic is real, but something in here is silently draining conversions before a single automation ever fires. If your ActiveCampaign forms have a gap like this video is for you. I'm going to show you the 7 most common form mistakes people are still making, exactly where to find each setting, and the specific fixes that actually work. Let's get into it. So, mistake 1 is using the wrong opt-in strategy. In the form builder, go to the Options tab, click the pencil icon next to Subscribes to List, and you'll see the opt-in confirmation toggle. By default, ActiveCampaign turns double opt-in on for every email list form you create. That means contacts land in your account as unconfirmed until they click a confirmation link. If they never click it, they never become active. They can't receive a single campaign, not even your welcome email. Go to Contacts, filter by Unconfirmed, and you'll see exactly how many people you've already lost this way. Double opt-in isn't always wrong. Double opt-in, it builds a cleaner list and reduces spam complaints. But if you're running paid ads to a landing page or collecting contacts at an event, that extra confirmation step kills conversions. In those cases, turn the toggle off and click Save. Contacts will be added as active immediately. Match your opt-in setting to how that specific form is being used. The second mistake is not having spam protection. AI-driven bots are submitting your forms with fake addresses and real-looking names. Every one of those is a contact in your account. And since late 2025, ActiveCampaign charges for all contacts, including unconfirmed ones. Spam submissions literally cost you money. Your first line of defense is to drag the CAPTCHA field from the Fields panel directly onto your form. This requires a challenge from Google reCAPTCHA that bots can't complete. Note, CAPTCHA is only available on inline forms, not modal or floating types. Mistake 3 is no attribution tracking. Your forms collect an email address, but not where that person came from. Go to Contacts, then Fields, and create custom hidden fields for UTM Source, UTM Medium, and UTM Campaign. Then open your inline form, go to Fields, Custom Fields, drag each UTM field onto the form. It's important to verify each field's personalization tag to use underscores so it matches the URL parameter format. Now, when someone arrives from a tagged URL, their traffic source is automatically stored on their contact record. If you're running any paid traffic, this is not optional. Without it, you have no way to know which campaigns are actually producing customers. Mistake 4 is that your thank you experience is a dead end. Most forms show a generic message and stop there. In the Options tab, switch from showing a message to open a URL and send people to a real thank you page that confirms what they signed up for and tells them exactly what happens next. Then check your automation. Your first email needs to fire with 0 delay, not 24 hours later. By then, the person has forgotten who you are, and your email looks like cold outreach. Send immediately, deliver exactly what was promised, and set clear expectations for what's coming. Mistake 5 is broken trigger logic. Open your form automation and check the run setting on the trigger. If it's set to run once, returning contacts who submit again will never re-enter the automation. Change it to run multiple times, then add an if-else at the top. If the contact is already active, route them to a re-engagement path. If they're new, send them through your normal welcome sequence. Also, add an engagement check after your first 2 emails. If a contact hasn't opened or clicked anything, they're unlikely to engage later, and continuing to send hurts your deliverability. Build in an exit branch for 0 engagement contacts early in your sequence. Mistake 6 is that your form may lose leads on mobile and you've never checked. In the mobile view of the browser, check that fields are large enough to tap, the button is full width, and the form doesn't require scrolling. Use a font size of at least 16 pixels on your button. Keep the headline short, 2 lines max on a phone screen, and limit your fields to email only or email plus first name. Mistake 7 is never looking at your form statistics. Click into any form's stats page and check the gap between total entries and contacts created. Scroll to recent contacts and click through individual records. Check their status, whether tags applied correctly, and whether their automation fired. This 5-minute audit can catch broken triggers and confirmation issues before they cost you hundreds of leads. Check it at least once a month. Quick recap. Mistake 1, wrong opt-in setting. Match it to your traffic source. Mistake 2, no spam protection. Use CAPTCHA and double opt-in together. Mistake 3, no UTM tracking. Add hidden attribution fields to every form. Mistake 4, weak thank you flow. Redirect to a real page and send your first email immediately. Mistake 5, bad trigger logic. Allow reruns and add engagement checks. Mistake 6, poor mobile experience. Test it, simplify it, make it tappable. Mistake 7, ignoring your stats. Make it a monthly habit. Pick your highest traffic form, open it right now, and go through this list. Each fix takes minutes. And cleaning up all 7 of these mistakes will meaningfully increase the leads that actually make it into your automations. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling me which ActiveCampaign form issue caused the biggest problems for your business. And if there's another ActiveCampaign topic you want covered in a future tutorial, let me know in the comments as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.